In today's video, I'm going to be building a tufting frame. At the moment, I have a large 6 foot by 6 foot frame, but I'm in need of a smaller one for single rugs. That's where this 3 foot by 3 foot tufting frame comes in. Our first step is to gather our materials. For this project, I used 4 2x2 wooden boards, measuring tape, L brackets, screws, carpet tack strips, and our tools. In this case, we're using a drill, a jigsaw, and a hammer. Our second step is to cut our boards. 2 of my boards are already at my desired length of 46 inches. The other 2 boards will have to be cut down to 36 inches. These smaller boards will be used for the sides of the tufting frame. When using electric tools, make sure you protect yourself as much as you can. Use safety glasses and, unlike me, clamp down the wooden board. Doing this will secure the board down to the table and make it a lot easier to cut down. The next step is to assemble the frame. To do this, we're going to measure 5 inches off of each corner of one of our longest board. These 5 inches are going to be the part that's going to stick out of the frame, and we're going to be able to clamp our frame onto the table with these. So once we measure 5 inches, the middle part should measure 36 inches, which is 3 feet. So we're going to get one of the shorter sides that we just cut, and we're going to align it with the bottom part. I'm going to be pre-drilling some pilot holes on both 2x4s, and this will just make it a lot easier for me to put these two together. Also, splintering might occur if I didn't use the pilot holes. Now that I'm done with the first side, I'm going to be working on the second one. And once that one's done, I have both sides and bottom attached. Now we just need to add the top part. This one, we're gonna have one of the corners at exactly 90-degree angle, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the bottom part. We're going to pre-drill some holes, and after that we're going to make sure that we attach this 2x4 firmly. There is an overhang on the right side, and this is going to be used in order to add some hooks that will support the yarn that we're going to be using while tufting. After the frame has been assembled, we're going to reinforce it by utilizing these L brackets. The brackets will be used on every inside corner of the frame. Now our frame has been assembled and reinforced. We're going to measure all of the sides to make sure that they are all 3 feet in length. We are also going to measure across both ways. If these measurements are the same or very close, this will mean that we have a perfect square. Now we're at the final step of our tufting frame build. This step involves adding the carpet tack strip to our frame, which is crucial for holding the fabric tight while we tuft. Most tack strips come with nails already attached, so you can simply hammer them into place. If you feel like some pieces of the tack strip are too big, you can simply cut them down to size. Also, you can always add extra nails to ensure that the tack strip is secured onto the frame. There's one more thing that we need to do. We're gonna use this overhang on the top right side of our frame. This is where we're going to attach our hooks that are going to hold the yarn as we tuft. And now we have a finished tufting frame. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video was helpful in showing you how I build my tufting frame. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any other DIY projects you'd like to see in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. If you found value in this video and would like to support my channel, you can do so by using the Buy Me a Coffee link in the description down below. Your contributions will be used to enhance the quality of my content and bring you even more engaging videos in the future. Thank you for your support.